Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
You know, there are politicians, they want to be in power at all costs. Who are these people who want to do protests? I'm just reading on social media, they have applied to me to grant the Ewo Square. Do you apply to me through social media? You write a letter to the minister. I will see you. Who are you? What do you want to do? How many days do you want to spend? How much will you pay? Listen. It is not, you see, when people want to do propaganda in everything, I watch them on channel news telling the IG I've applied. You don't apply to me through channels. You must apply properly. You must pay what they call security cost. So that if there's any damage with the facilities, we take that security cost and repair. You know, you don't just because you want to play to the gallery. We don't just give people just because you have applied. You fulfill the conditions. There are people who have failed the election. The only way they think they can be relevant is to overthrow the government in whichever ways. I thank the youth that this place is the center of unity. This place we cannot afford to allow the capital city, where the international community is, to be where people will want to practice how to be violent. We will not allow that. Will we allow violence here? No. Certainly not. I've seen all kinds of threats. Somebody say, oh, you will die tomorrow, your children will die. I know I will die one day. So you don't need to tell me I will die. I know I will die. If it is tomorrow I die, it's not you that killed me. That's my time. So don't threaten me that I will die tomorrow. I will die the day God said I will die.